boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I was here with Soca Thursdays. I'm telling the people, it's Thursday. It's Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's carnival time. Ladies, I hope you all are ready to jiggle up your body, wind up your body for the reaction boss. No, Nessa Preppy. I'm sorry. You see me, I say your song called Issa Snack. This one been spamming from I did the first reaction, which was last Thursday, by the way. You understand? Go check it out. You know what I mean? But from I did the first one, they went into the comment section. Nessa, Issa Snack, Instagram. Nessa, Issa Snack. So I say big up to Nessa Preppy. You see me, I say song called Issa Snack. You see me, I say Travis World. Big up Travis World. I think yeah, produced by Travis World. You see me, I say so big up Travis World. No trust, no love. Yeah. Time has changed, girl, me had cool. Alright, you messing man. We see what going for that song. We're Soca, I'm gonna dance out to Bumbo Cobalt. That's how you think, said. You see what you think, said. But a Soca Thursday, ready for this. You did me, I say, I say big up to Soca Bantan same time too. But anyways, run tune.
In 2018, she sang.
Run tune yet. You like the video? You subscribe to the channel yet? Alright, good, we can do it. You subscribe yet? No, you have to go subscribe right now. Comment your favorite Soca song from React to it next week. What you talk about? Do it right now. No! Alright, run tune then.
Tingo. This year, she has another smash hit which is burning up the airwaves.
Hold on, the pause. Super flap? Ha, super hype, because myself. Go on!
Issa something strictly facts.
Think trend. Did start yet? No, the video start yet? The video start yet?
No, so give me some ideas. What I should do for this video? Give me some ideas. Listen, me some ideas.
One bad 2 years ago, man, we can see say they done mash up the airways to read. Everybody a chat about it. We could see what I go on. Everybody tell me if I react to it in the day. I say, if me not see no big batty girl in that video, yeah, watch me and Uno. Go on.
The snack is it.
I just see in hot kills and cars.
Yeah.
Beat had to drop like.
Give me a little something. I want you give me a little something. Ay, ay.
You want me give a little something? Me go give a little something right now, but first, just go and show me what I want to say. Go and show me what I want to say. You understand what I say? Yes. Alright. Look at our people. Watch there. It's a car garage.
Hey, hey. Real girl whining, real woman. Real girl whining, real woman. Real girl whining, real woman.
Alright.
Real girl whining. Issa snack.
Nessa pretty, you know, people. I'm a scale from 1 to 10 with Nessa make a rate her, you know. Nessa I broke up my scale, you know. Nessa, you look good, you know, Nessa. Nessa, wow, go on. Nessa probably married you. I need to behave myself, you know, because I know so enough of them, you know, I'm going to behave myself, you know. Nessa look good, though. I have to tell her that she look good. I see them women right now. I see women come out of car.
Issa something fat. Strictly facts. From party.
She said this is something fat. And me, I look for the fat something. What? Don't show me that, you know. Me say everything, show me that. Oh, sorry. The kiddies are watching. We can't do all this lovely stuff no more. But dog.
Issa see
Alright.
every carnival.
Yeah.
And it's that. It's a different kind of vibe.
Ooh. I would have one day.
All night in a different
No.
kind of back. One big
Me see that already. Me want to see the one with up on the gun a while ago. How is she gone? How is she gone?
the girl them a wine and bubble all night in a different kind of style. See the girl.
Me not like a surf for the pum pum them in a dog. Me like see the pum pum them. That's all. Me a talk about. But is a snack. You never lie to me. Me like what me a see. But you know, I mean, if you compose, calm down myself, and go on.
Girl them a wine and bubble all night to me, oh my. See the girl them a wine and bubble all night to
Oh shit! Oh Lord, it's melted. It's melted. Oh. I should indicate the back of me. Go on.
oh my. In 4, 3, 2. Real girl whining, real woman whining.
Dog, you can't sit through. Where you go?
We're not gonna see. I frighten you.
No, I go somewhere.
No?
Alright. Alright. That is not a snap. Go on.
Girl whining, real woman whining. Real girl whining, real woman whining. Sassy.
Bumbleclaw. Yo.
You have any Type-C charger?
Type-C charger.
Android Type-C.
I'm not an Android phone, dog.
Pussy well, nobody come go on like said, not because you have iPhone, you come chat about.
No, but I'm not an Android charger for real.
Eh?
Not for real.
I wish my dollar tree there. Don't you, sir?
Yeah. Oh, what the box said? Yo, the go. Lock up the car door. Yo, lock the door.
What can't what means? Where code? Where code?
See, lock the door.
Where code?
See, lock the door.
Don't drive out by foot tell.
Yo, lock the door, man. See. Lock the door, no?
Go on.
Put in that shit. But Jesus Christ.
Hey guys! Joke, you delete that now. I wait the reaction.
No, man.
A reaction to that though.
Man, chill, man.
I like I see me there.
Man, chill, man.
I'm sorry. Anyways, gang, what's popping? Oh, we are reactor. Pussy, what you
Like you black. Like you know that.
think we are idiot? Go on, react to your music. Me not trouble you.
If you don't care alarm with me today, the mayor bomb muck better.
You not go alarm. Pande ho ho.
Say I did.
Seriously?
Where be?
Come now, we are react.
It's my new girlfriend, by the way, guys.
Reaction boss.
I'm a new girl, listen to that. You don't know.
I think set me be on the block, you know what I mean?
Come on, I can't bomb up.
Come react. Why you react? The dog know me on him channel.
So what's that one here? Lord God. Jesus Christ. We need to move them to move the car the dog. We don't know why the bomb clip left the car right outside the dog. No. Why am I left the car outside the dog?
Why you leave it?
You like carnival? You like carnival?
Yeah, them have one carnival?
You know about Nessa Preppy?
Where?
You see, you know, like carnival link, you know, no bonus.
Which one is a pregnant? I don't know.
You ever see that video yet? With them sexy girl yet?
Whining real woman, whining real girl, whining real woman, whining. Is that scene? Is that scene?
See that yet?
I'm at fat.
But you ever see them sitting there yet?
What do you mean if me ever see them with something like that?
Like that one day.
No.
But like them something me I watch. I mean, no one here, I can't watch them sitting here, dog. You know what I say?
Man, nah, come out.
Real girl, whining real woman, whining real girl, whining real woman, whining real girl, whining real woman, whining.
Shawty got fed.
This is say your body girl. This is say your body girl. No. This is say your body girl.
Come on, because.
Alright. But pussy fat.
You don't have a body yet.
Like again. Rascal, car man, bumbo cleat man. Cha! Backside man, if you think so, me not post this. Watch me mother now, G. Yes, mommy. Jesus. Man, make you carry on me now. What you want, mommy? What you want, mommy? Man, make you carry on me now. What? You go alarm if you ramp with the Jesus, I'm all Aiden, no, sir?
White code.
Alright, Aiden, come with this stick.
Tell white code.
No,
Come, Aiden,
stick.
come. No, Aiden, man.
Say the passcode.
Hey, move with us to the family car, you
Say
know?
the passcode.
White password.
That. Guys, please, I'm a fish my video, please, my big one, no?
Say the passcode.
What
now.
is the pass?
Or else you won't be able to escape.
Come on, make you finish the video.
Alright, my finish the video and come get your passcode, alright? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If you don't think me not put this in the bumbo clean video, I'll make a sad mistake. We could party here. Yo, Nessa. Brother, that video God. We go see what I go, people. Ready? Run through. Oh my goodness! Yes! Oh my, what's this? What's this? Oh my Lord! What going on? Exactly, boy. We want to know what going on, boy. What going on? Go on. Yeah.
I see something fun and
Yeah.
fashionable.
Real girl, whining real woman, whining real girl, whining real woman.
Wala. Bruh, I can't keep composure because of everything that just happened. I can't keep the composure, yo, but no, I saw the video over here, so sorry. Go on.
Whining real girl, whining real woman, whining. Is that scene? Is that scene? Is that
You see them, this family that I have, they are so... Get off of my car! What's that thing, man? Car on it. Car chunk. Hey, yo! I know you're a car down one here, no? Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
yeah? Tell your boss I sweat. So handle the pace, then it's on to the next one. And it's that.
You know what, people, I go on a second reaction. I go post the video, but I react to the song again. You understand? I get it tomorrow, dog. I just, you know what, I make the video too long, I'm going to put everything in that video, dog. Trust me. You know what, I react to the song. I'm sorry. I listen to them, I react to the song. Go on.
It's a different kind of vibe. To see the girl in my wine.
Alright then.
A different
I like
kind
that
of
one. I like the fit them show up a while ago. I like the one on the right side. You understand me? I basically show which one I like. I like the one on the right side. I never like the one on the left. Go on.
vibe. See the girl in my wine and bubble all night. Do me, oh my.
I just say I like the one on. Check it, the one. stop. Make sure I finish the video because I can't bother with all them things, them lovely things that we are going.
Me, oh my. In 4, 3.
Me can't take them people here, you know, like, I was with them today. I international about the Tyreek day today. Thank gosh, man, about goddamn time. Sure. Alright, now go on. Ooh. Never see those. We like those. We like those.
2. Real gal whining, real woman whining. Real gal whining, real woman whining. Real gal.
We love those. We don't just like those. We love those, dog. Like, we love the cheeks them like them there.
Whining, real woman whining. Is that a scene? Is that a scene? Real gal whining, real woman.
Oh yeah. Too much.
Is that a scene?
Carnival now. No man.
African.
Me I watch you video see me. You see me now. Me I go on.
And it's that. It's a different kind of vibe. This is
No.
big
up yard.
Somewhere in the mountains, a mansion in the mountain. Yeah, real vibes, just vibes.
Is that a scene?
Don't drop, you know. Don't drop. Fuck. You think I wouldn't drop a while ago, dog? Alright. Run through now.
Gal whining, real woman whining.
Alright.
Gal whining, real woman whining.
Boy.
Gal whining. One big girl's team.
Grass pussy. If I never said nothing a while ago, never hear that a while ago. Alright? I was just looking at the video, merely looking at a female that guys do. Alright? Yeah.
Snack pack. Is a scene.
What are your number?
Every
Me know I'm a done.
Gal whining, real woman whining. Gal whining, real woman whining. Is a scene.
Me hit have to do them. Me hit have to deal with that way there. Me hit have to do that. People, me don't know. I want me react to it again like good or second reaction and love that one. I mean, me know down below the comment section, but if you love this, thanks for watching, dog. But whoa, it was a damn hassle to do this video. But thank you all very much for tuning in. Those who made it to the end of the video, please comment CC. You understand the letters C and C 2 times because that's what she named the girl who give me trouble. Yes, the batty girl. You see me? So let's big up on yourself, yeah, man. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. I'm out. Peace.